Hello everyone, today we're playing versus Spinel. I saw PJL Films play this, but I didn't actually watch it. I just only go download it because I want to be like it's surprising. Of course, hello Spinel. Other friends Injector Carolsis. Unchangeable. Oh, of course normal. I like the weak kind of tag thing. I don't know what it's called. Oh great, it's not responding. Yeah. A couple of hours or minutes ago. Oh, good thing he did. What? I really like the voice acting. Not responding again. I just hate waiting too long. Because I only have 5 minutes, 15 minutes. Oh, I did not do that. I didn't mean to do that. Sorry. Oh my gosh, that looks cool. Oh my gosh. Sorry, it was just a little laggy. That's all. It sometimes does that. Yes. Oh, it does do that. In Steven Universe, Spinel is actually my favorite character. Why Spinel? What is going on? A good thing we're still recording. Damn. Let's try that again, cause that was not supposed to happen. 4 minutes are in. Do, 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 do. Please do not. Please do not. I don't know what to do. Come on, stop lagging. Ugh, I hate it. Oh, I actually skipped it. Maybe she was sick because of the narrator dialogue. I really like how it looks. Uh-oh. Oh my gosh! How am I winning when I'm literally missing a lot? Oh my gosh. I watched Steven Universe for a long time ago. It was pretty fun to watch. 8 minutes. Oh, I accidentally. Oh no. What did she just do? 9 minutes. Yeah, I might play this mod off camera. So yes. Sorry you can't really watch the full thing, but I'll try my best to show it. Zero combo misses. Oh! I Stop it. Stop it. This is torture. That was torture. 11 minutes. Yeah, I might play. The last song I might play off camera. I'm sorry, but yes. Bye. Thank you for watching. Sorry, it's sort of short. Sorry. Goodbye.